In the name of who? Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you wherever you are in the world. We are in Sydney, Australia. Time now is 11 minutes past 1 p.m. Date is 4th of the March 2025. Believe it or not, this day, 4th of the March 1984, I arrived in Australia 41 years ago. Time fly. And today is very special day for me, and I never forget these days. And I made the most important decision for my life and came to Australia, and I'm very happy, and thanks God Yahoo that I came here and live here for last 41 years. Anyway, before I go to the chart, in the name of who, pause the video and read this. If you are following our channel on Facebook, Instagram and all social media, on Sunday Sydney time I announced for the Bitcoin and Ethereum, and this is part 1 and this part 2, and actually in this part 1 I show you that I have actually entered the trade for the Ethereum live account, live chart. You can watch those videos for the confirmation. You can see what I have said, it came true. So this is part 1 and this part 2. So I'm gonna go to the chart and I show you the part 3, what happened to the forecast we did for you guys on Sunday Sydney time. So on Sunday for the Bitcoin, when I make the announcement and forecast for the Bitcoin, I gave you 2 scenarios. So I said if the price come into our selling zone in this area, what would happen, and if price come into this area, what would happen. I'm not going to repeat. I don't want to take your time, so you can watch these 2 videos. So the price went up, okay, and we did not have any signal here to sell the market, okay, but as you can see, market came and hit the level that I forecast on Sunday. You can watch the video, the part 1 and part 2. But you probably ask me why we entered the trade with no signal, okay. There is a time that sometimes if I have time and if I look at the trade, sometimes I go to the lower time frame and just for the confirmation for this kind of the movement. When it's too big movement, it means that market for some reason become excited for some red news or whatever, and so that's the reason I go to one time frame down to see if the software give us the signal to sell. As I have mentioned before many times, those video we have is about 347 video. My partner developed this software, so the indicator we have, they give us the level and also give us the signal according to the level we find through the software we have to sell or to buy the market. And in this scenario, if I go one time frame down, which normally I don't do that, but when we have this kind of the excitement for the market about the red news or whatever, push the market too much high in matter of 1 hour or 2 hours, so it's something going on in back. So there is big guys, the market maker, they did some decision or making huge investments, so they make the market move very fast. So in this kind of scenario, I go one time frame down to 10 minutes, for example, or 5 minutes, and then I will see if there is a signal or not. If I am in 15 minutes time frame, there is no signal. You see, there is no signal here at all. But if I go to 10 minutes, then I can see there is a signal. This is our unique software that we have. There is a signal to sell the market, okay. The entry would be here, and then we got another signal, then we got another entry. And as I have explained to you before about the stop loss, I make the yellow line because I don't want to mix it with this one, because this is another level from past, so I'm waiting for those level in different time frame. But anyway, we put the stop loss here in case if the price go up and hit the stop loss, and I explain about how we do the stop loss according to those videos. You can watch them and see the way we do the stop loss. I'm not going to repeat again. So anyway, the stop loss I put it in yellow line, and then we had entry 1 twice, and this is the result. And as I have mentioned before, you can see it on my screen shot on Sunday. I said if the price going up to this area of the selling zone, after we meet this area, this is the first condition, we can sell it to this level. And if price continue coming to this area, and if we get a signal again like this green one in this area, we can buy it to this level, which is 86,394. Okay, let's go to the chart, see what happened. Market came and hit the first one, so I have to tick that one, that we were correct. Alright, let me change the color, this one to green, so this one correct. And as I have forecast before, if price coming under this second line, which is this price, okay, we can buy it. Alright, you see price came here and we had no signal, not in 10 minutes, not in 15 minutes, but price went up and hit that level that I have forecast for you guys before. So this one I did not enter to the trade because I follow the rule. Our rule is this: we have to have a signal to buy or to sell. If we don't have a signal, we don't enter, no matter if we are correct or not. So we have to have a discipline, but we did not have in 10 minutes, or we did not have in 15 minutes. Let me check the 5 minutes. Maybe we have 5 minutes. Let me check the 5 minutes. Yes, we had 5 minutes. So I missed this one. I didn't check the 5 minutes. Look, in 5 minutes we had a signal to buy to this level. Alright, one, and this one, another one. Okay, so anyway, the forecast for buy and for sell both was correct. Thanks God, Yahoo. Let's go to Ethereum. What we have said for the Ethereum, it was this. On Sunday I entered the trade here, and we came out of the trade with a profit, and you can watch it on the second video I explained to you in this one. This is second video, and what I'm gonna upload now is gonna be part 3. Okay, so for the Bitcoin, for the Ethereum, alright, for the Ethereum, we say the scenario must be price has to come to this area, then we can buy it to this level, of 2,140 American dollars. Price came, okay, and as you can see, hit the level. Let me check the one time frame lower just to see if I have a signal. We don't have any signal. Let's go to 5 minutes. To 5 minutes. No, we don't have even 5 minutes signal, but the forecast we did, it was correct. Okay, the forecast. I never did this. Let me check the 3 minutes time frame just to see. Just for few. Yeah, look. In 3 minutes we had a signal here to buy, and the stop loss would be here. So there would be 1 entry, 2 entry, and 3 entry in 3 minutes. But I don't do it. I just stick to one time frame, unless, as I have explained to you for the Bitcoin, if you have huge movement like this, then I go to one low from. I stick to 50 minutes time frame always. So for the Bitcoin and for the Ethereum, my forecast was correct again, and price hit that one. So let me put a mark. I was correct. Thanks God, Yahoo. And now this is the opportunity for me. If price go up, watch me please. If price go up past these two green line, which I gave you on Sunday, those level, okay. If price rise up, come into this area of selling zone, okay, When I get a signal like this, then I sell it to this level, to this green line, which is going to be 2221. So this is another trade that I have to wait and see the price move to our selling zone, and then we can sell it. So hopefully this one would happen. Let me change the color. Okay, then I can sell it to this level. So in the name of who, thanks God, Yahoo, what I have said to you guys on Sunday and Monday, and today is Tuesday, everything for the Bitcoin and Ethereum came true, and that is the last chance for me to do the Ethereum. Hopefully if price rise to our selling zone, I can sell it. If happen, I might not make the part 4, but you can check it on your demo account and follow my movement and see it was correct or not. So in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. Please read this one. We are not responsible for your action. This is only education and information side. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo. Thanks for watching. Don't finish.